Hello everybody, and here is your deep dive into how to become fluent in a foreign language. There are 4 main steps, and this applies to any language: English, Spanish, Portuguese, Chinese, Japanese, whatever it is. By the way, before we get started, my name is Monroe Mann. I'm the founder of Break Diving. Please come and join our global personal growth community at breakdiving.io or download our mobile app from the App Store or the Play Store. All right, so let's get into this. The 4 things are, let's start with number 1. Number 1, you need to read. Why do you need to read? You need to read a heck of a lot more than you're reading. Let's just say you want to become fluent in Chinese. You have to force yourself to read Chinese. Why? You're going to see how grammar is used properly. And number 2, you're going to see perfect grammatical structure. Your brain recognizes these patterns, and you see the same word over and over again, used in the same way in different sentences. Eventually, you're going to put the pieces together and go, wow, I know how to use that sentence and I know how to use that word. You have to increase your vocabulary, and you're going to increase your vocabulary by reading. Number 2, you need to write. Now, this doesn't sound very fun, but writing forces you to actually prove that you know grammar and you know how to use vocabulary. So, the best case scenario is where you can actually write something and it gets graded. So, thanks to ChatGPT, and Grok and Google, Gemini, and many other AIs, you could probably use them to correct it. So maybe we're in a new age. So if you write it and then actually write it and type it up and then feed it into one of these AI models and say, please keep the sentences exactly the same, just improve the grammar. And then you can ask it, explain to me where my grammar is incorrect. You will learn so much more because your brain is being used to actually write. Do not use AI to do the writing for you. This is what everybody's doing. There's no way you're going to become fluent in a language if you're having a computer do all of the writing hard work. You need to actually practice using vocabulary and using sentence and grammar structures. Number 3, you need to speak more. You have to find groups where you can speak in that language. You have to practice it more than you're practicing it right now. You can find groups where other people are doing that, or you can even talk to AI. You can go into voice mode on ChatGPT or on any of these AI models and talk to them. Say, I want you to start speaking to me only in French. And it will, then you just start talking to it in French or in Chinese or whatever, and you can actually have a conversation in the foreign language, which leads me to part 4 on becoming fluent in a foreign language. You have to improve your listening dramatically. Now, in most cases, you cannot understand what people are saying on television or that because they're using words that are colloquial, but also they're using more words than your vocabulary actually has, which goes back to part 1, which is keep reading. Keep reading, keep studying, get a book. Here's my Chinese book. I'm on this lesson right now, and we're learning these new vocabulary words. I study twice a week, learning more vocabulary. But going back to listening, you can practice listening by watching TV shows, listening to the radio. There are apps you can get, like, I forget, one's called Lingua, I think, or Yabla. Watch television shows. Listen to the radio. Watch political shows. Watch movies. Or, as I said, talk to ChatGPT or some other AI model, and you'll be able to practice listening. But the difference is when they speak to you, they don't speak to you really generally in a direct accent. They're going to be speaking to you with an accent from your language, which doesn't sound so great. Maybe they'll fix that soon so you can actually communicate and talk to somebody who has an actual French accent. But bottom line, your vocabulary needs to improve dramatically, and your grammar and sentence structure needs to improve dramatically. And as an umbrella, you need to do this through the 4-plan method. Read more, write more, speak more, and listen more. You can do that all on your own, but you can also come and join Break Diving. Come join the channel that is a part of this. We're not only just a YouTube channel. The whole idea of break diving is don't wait for opportunities to float to the surface. Dive in and make those big breaks yourself. So how can we help you? We have chat rooms in French, German, Portuguese, Italian, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, where you can actually practice with people reading and writing. We also have live events on Zoom and eventually in person where you can practice. Right now, we're doing most of the events on Zoom. But we have French chat, we have German chat, we have Chinese chat, and you come on there and literally we will just talk on Zoom in that foreign language, which will give you opportunities to practice reading and writing as well. So please subscribe to our channel. Please create a study plan to improve your foreign language abilities. Please come and join Break Diving and pursue the dive for the language that you're interested in. I think I'm certified as Chinese level 2 now. I'm moving towards Chinese level 3. And I think I'm certified as English level 1, even though I speak English fluently. But you'll come and see why we do it the way that we do it. Please click like. Please subscribe. Please discipline. You need discipline. That's basically what you need. You want to become fluent? You got to work a heck of a lot harder than you're working right now, because right now, whatever you're doing is probably not enough to make you fluent. You need to read more, write more, speak more, listen more, participate more in that language. Thank you again. My name is Monroe Mann, and please become a part of the Break Diving community. Bye.